Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone stuck in recovery mode. So guys, here is my iPhone. This is stuck on the recovery mode or Apple mode while updating. So guys, how can you fix this issue? Simply go to so guys, here is the iFixer WooTechy iFixer, best repair tool for iDevices and Apple TV, best for iPhone. So guys, link in the description. Go to the description and download the software first. So guys, it will fix all your problem without data loss, stuck in recovery mode, stuck on Apple logo, stuck on spinning wheel. So guys, first of all, download the software, link in the description. And also guys, they are doing giveaway on their website. Share your lock screen and win an Apple Watch. So guys, install iOS 16 on your iPhone and customize your lock screen and send to WooTechy, tag on Twitter. Here you can see that here are the steps. So guys, link in the description. Go and check out the link. So after, then open the software iFixer. So this is the best software. You can fix your iPhone without your data loss. So I have opened this. So simply guys, so sorry, close it, open again. So guys, here is the WooTechy iFixer. Fix various system issues and get your device back to normal. So simply tap on the standard mode. So simply connect your iOS device. So here you can see guys, my iPhone has been connected right now. Then click on next. So your device firmware. So guys, if you didn't have updated your version, so simply tap on download. If you have manually downloaded the version, tap on select it. So I have downloaded this version. So guys, version is extracting firmware, please wait. So guys, version has been extracted successfully. So simply click on start. So here you can see guys, successful. The program has successfully fixed your device. Wait for a short time, your device will start soon. So guys, wait for your device. So my iPhone will start soon right now. The version has been successfully done. So it's the best software for your iPhone to fix any issue on your iPhone. If your device has been break, stuck on Apple mode, stuck on recovery mode, or if you are updating your iPhone and stuck on Apple mode, it will fix also. So wait for the opening iPhone. So guys, here you can see guys, my phone is fixed successfully without losing any data. So guys, here is a simple method for fixing your iPhone. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.